Have you ever wondered if owning a Tesla means saying goodbye to the hassle of tire rotations? Some people swear by Tesla's seamless ownership experience, while others remain skeptical. Today, we're diving deep into the question, does Tesla charge for tire rotation? Before we get to the nitty-gritty, let's talk about why tire rotations are so important. Think of your tires as the shoes of your car. Just like you'd rotate your shoes to ensure even wear, rotating your tires helps maintain optimal performance and extends their lifespan. But with Tesla's focus on innovation and convenience, it's natural to wonder if they've streamlined this process as well. To answer our question, we conducted extensive research, combing through Tesla forums, owner reviews, and official Tesla documentation. Here's what we found. Tesla service centers. While Tesla does offer tire rotation services at their official service centers, it's not a freebie. You'll typically be charged a fee for this service. Third-party mechanics. If you're not comfortable or don't have the time to visit a Tesla service center, you can always opt for third-party mechanics. Many of them are well-versed in working with Tesla vehicles and offer competitive rates for tire rotations. DIY tire rotations. For the mechanically inclined, you can always tackle tire rotations yourself. Tesla owners have reported that the process is relatively straightforward, but be sure to follow the manufacturer's recommendations and have the necessary tools. The exact cost of a tire rotation at a Tesla service center can vary depending on several factors, including location. Service center locations may have slightly different pricing structures. Labor rates. The cost of labor can fluctuate over time. Additional services. If you're also getting other services done, such as a wheel alignment or tire balancing, the overall cost may be higher. Comparison to other car brands. To give you a better idea of how Tesla's pricing compares to other car brands, we've gathered some data. While the specific numbers can vary, it's generally safe to say that Tesla's tire rotation costs are on par with other premium electric vehicles. Pros and cons of Tesla's approach. While Tesla may not offer free tire rotations, their approach does have some advantages. Convenience. Tesla service centers are often conveniently located, making it easy to schedule appointments. Expertise. Tesla technicians are trained to work on Tesla vehicles, ensuring that your car receives proper care. Warranty. If you're still under warranty, certain tire-related services may be covered. On the other hand, some Tesla owners have expressed frustration with the cost of routine maintenance, including tire rotations. So, does Tesla charge for tire rotation? The answer is yes. While it may not be a free service, Tesla's approach offers convenience and expertise. If you're considering purchasing a Tesla, it's important to factor in the cost of routine maintenance, including tire rotations. Have you had any experiences with tire rotations at a Tesla service center? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you're interested in learning more about Tesla or electric vehicles in general, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more informative content. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.